Okay, so we stopped in Tilamook, Oregon and decided to tour this little cheese factory. You've all probably heard of Tilamook Cheese. We saw it and there was ample parking for RV rigs, so we decided to pull in and see what it's all about. Here we go, Tilamook Cheese. When you come in, you come to this big stairway, and it's a massive store that they have there with every kind of cheese in the world, and of course different trinkets and souvenirs, shirts and so forth. Lots of people in there spending money. We did find that some of the cheese is not necessarily the best price here at the factory. So anyway, it was fun. All kinds of little snacks and beautifully displayed. We enjoyed walking through this part, but we were anxious to get to the tour of the actual cheese making. And then they have this cute little Volkswagen bus cutout thing you can do a picture in. That was fun. Looking down over the store area. And then you go along here to the actual cheese being made. That's pretty cool. Over to the right here are the samples. We were looking for the samples, of course. And after we did this tour, they give you a little sample of, I think, 3 or 4 different kinds, and that was fun. So when you come up to the window here, the first one, you just kind of see the big vats and containers where the cheese and everything is actually made. Of course, Tilamook makes a lot more than cheese. They make a lot of dairy products, yogurts, and ice cream, of course, all kinds of goodies. But anyway, so there are the big vats where the cheese is being made. So pretty cool that you can actually go in and see the process in the factory. That's pretty neat. In this area, you look over and you can see these big blocks. I believe they said those were 40-pound blocks. They're putting the wrapping on them. I guess sending these over to the next prep area. You can see, I'm not sure. That may be the way those are sold. And here's some more production going on. Shrink wrap going onto the blocks of cheese. Pretty amazing. Heat shrink tunnel, they call it. Blocks go through, man, just cheese, rolling out. America sure does consume a lot of cheese. Isn't it yummy? Tilamook Cheese Factory here in Tilamook, Oregon receives over 1 million gallons of milk a day that they process. Pretty incredible. Pretty automated, all the machinery and everything.